In this video, we're going to learn how to use the Google Hangout on Air. Make sure you're logged in to Google through your Gmail account, so you should see your name and your icon over here on the right-hand side. Then go to Google and Google Hangout on Air. Click Hangouts on Air-Google. Scroll down and select Start a Hangout on Air. Name your Hangout. I recommend naming it something just so that the other person that you're interviewing knows what this message will be that they receive. So you're going to type in a title. And then here is where the person who initiates the Hangout will need to add the other person. So you need to make sure that you exchange each other's Gmail addresses, and then you type that in and then click Start Hangout on Air. Okay, so when you get to the main screen, you should see the video feed from your webcam into this middle section. You might need to unplug your webcam and plug it back in and wait a few moments if you do not see any video content in this area. Once the partner for your interview project accepts the invitation to this Hangout, his or her video will also appear in this screen. To start recording your interview, you will need to select Start Broadcast and then click OK. Wait for this posting countdown to get down to the point where it tells you that your posting broadcast video is public and that you're on air. And then you can begin to interview each other. On the left-hand side, you can see where you can invite more people, or if the invitation did not come through with the first try, you can go ahead and invite through this button here. You can also start a chat by text, so you can send messages to your interview partner to let them know maybe that something technical isn't working. And then these are some other tools that you can play with if you'd like, but they're not essential to your project. So after you complete your questioning, click End Broadcast. You will get the message that your broadcast has successfully been ended. To access the content, click Embed, and then drag, hold down, click and select, and then right click and copy the URL, open a new browser tab, and paste your URL. It will take you to your YouTube video copy of the Hangout. If you would like to change your settings for the YouTube video, you can do that by clicking on this pencil icon here. The default privacy for your video is public. You can change that to unlisted. This means that your video isn't out there for the free world, but you can still share it by sending the URL to your video. And that's what you'll have to do to submit your assignment. So after you change your privacy settings, if you'd like, you can go here to Video URL, select and copy that URL, and then paste it and submit the assignment as your professor instructs you to. And that's a quick overview of Google On Air Hangout.